Mutual respect between these two guys right here. You can see it's all.
Beal 14 points, back on the floor with Avdia Lopez back in. The starting five out there. Here's Beal. Butler able to take it away, and Beal commits the foul. That'll be the second foul against Beal, and those two are doing a little dance together.
Brad didn't want to let it go. Look at Brad. I mean, Jimmy Butler.
Jimmy Butler still had one of the best reactions.
A couple of all-stars going at it right here. Two-way players. And right there, you see him smile. There's great mutual respect between these two guys right here. And you can see it's all